Now we look at example 1. Find the coordinate of P and Q. So if the coordinate of P and Q is the intersection between the straight line and the curve. So the equation of the curve, let's say A, y is equals to 16 minus x squared. Here is equation 1. And equation 2 is y is equals to 7. So here is equation 2. So substitute, let's say, equation 1 into equation 2. So what I have here is 16 minus x squared is equals to 7. So 16 minus 7 is equals to x squared. So x squared is equals to 9. X is equals to plus minus 3. So the y is always 7. So I can make a conclusion since p is in the negative side. So p will be equals to negative 3 and 7. And q will be equals to positive 3 and 7. So this is the coordinate of P and Q. Where P is, so here, we know that here is negative 3 and here is positive 3. So this will be our boundary. Next, we look at question B. Find the volume of the solid generated when the shaded region is revolved about the line y is equals to 7. So the graph will revolve at this line. So revolve, this is up and down. So if up and down, if the graph is if the shaded region is revolved up and down, we were using the value of x. So volume for question B, volume will be equals to pi integrate from a to b fx minus k squared dx. So based on our equation or the curve, pi integrate from negative 3 to positive 3. Our fx is 16 minus x squared minus k. So let's say I put a bracket. Our fx, where the function is 16 minus x squared minus k. The value of k in this question is 7. So minus 7 squared dx. So next, we try to simplify. Pi integrate from negative 3 to positive 3. 16 minus 7 will become 9 minus x squared. So don't forget the square, dx. So 16 minus 7 is 9. So next, we need to expand before we integrate. So next, I will expand from negative 3 to positive 3. This is how I'm going to expand. 9 minus x squared. 9 minus x squared. So we expand. From here, we should have 9 times 9, 81, minus 9x squared, minus 9x squared, plus x power 4 dx. So I try to simplify before integrate. Negative 3 to positive 3, 81 minus 9 minus 9 is 18x squared, plus x power 4 with respect to x. Now I start to integrate. This is equals to pi. Integrate. I change to a square bracket. Integrate 81. So we have 81x minus 18x cubed over 3 plus x power 5 over 5 from negative 3 to positive 3. So I try to simplify. 18 divided by 3. So this can be simplified. So here is 81x minus 6x cubed plus x power 5 over 5 from negative 3 to positive 3. Next, I will start to substitute the value. So here is pi, integrate, no, this is not integrate, bracket, 81 times 3 minus 6 times 3 power of 3 plus 3 power of 5 over 5. This is the first part. Minus, then I substitute negative 3, 81 times negative 3 minus 6 times negative 3 power of 3 plus negative 3 power of 5 over 5. So this is the second part. Then I try to simplify pi. So the first part, 81 times 3, which is 243, minus 27 times 6, so this is 162, plus 3 power of 5, 243 over 5. This is the first part, minus the second part here is, so here is 81 times negative 3, negative 243. So here negative 3 power of 3 times negative 6. Here is positive 162. Finally, here is negative 243 over 5. So next, so I try to simplify this part. So here we have pi. So by using your calculator, 243 minus 162 plus 243 over 5 is equals to 648 over 5 minus, now come to the second part, negative 243 plus 162 minus 243 over 5 minus negative 648 over 5. So by simplify this part, 648 over 5 plus 648 over 5, our final answer will be 1296 over 5. So here is 1296 over 5 by unit cube. So here is the answer.